Okay, so let's see if we can mug a carp. There's plenty cruising around. Got quite a long lash on. I'm going to flick it out. Just need to put another section on. There we go, fish on. Look at that. Straight away. Just literally threw it out in front of his nose. There we go. They're quite lazy today. There's quite a few surfacing around. So I got to my peg. Wasn't planning on fishing this technique. In fact, I want to fish pace today. I couldn't help myself. Got to give this a go. Got it. It's not even got any fight in him. I think it's such a warm day today. Oh, well. I think he might have just woken up. Yeah. There's nice 5-pound carp. This is actually a big fish. There we go. First carp. Mug him. Get him in. Probably about £6 actually, that one. Hey guys, hopefully you're enjoying these free videos. Just a quick reminder, if you haven't already, please do go and subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button. It's free and it's easy and it only takes about 2 seconds. It's a massive help, more than you know. Also, don't forget to drop the video a like, give it a thumbs up, and at the end of the video, if you can spare 30 seconds, please do go and leave a comment. Just let me know what you like about the video. Let me know what techniques you use. But thank you for watching. Now let's get back to the main video. Okay, so you've just seen me catch that fish. Dead easy technique this. I just want to very quickly show you the rig. It's so simple that you've got to get out there on a warm sunny day today. The carp are cruising around. You've got to go mugging. So in terms of my elastic, I've got a 13 to 15 hybrid elastic on. I've talked about this in many videos before, but it's really good elastic. So go and look at those other videos as well, and it shows you how powerful this can be and how I've been catching some big carp. In terms of the main line, I've got a 0.19mm diameter main line, nice and robust. Again, nothing complicated, all the way down to a 0.16 hook length with a band on a size 16 hook. In terms of the float, I've gone for a clunk float. It's a 0.50 gram 0.50, I had to double check that then, gram clunk float. And I've got quite a long line. I've probably got about, what have we got there, about 1 to 2.5 foot line between my float and the end of my pole. And that's so I can just swing it out. They're just cruising on the surface today. I don't want to spook them. I just want to throw it out in front of them. So it means I can just swing it without a problem. That heavy float, it's self-cocking. I've got no shot on the line. I don't need it. So when that bait hits the water, the carp's going to see it, going to follow it down. I've got my depth here set at 2 foot, and it'll follow it down and hopefully either take it on the drop or when it hits that dead depth. But that is the rig, dead simple. 13 to 15 hollow elastic, 0.19mm diameter main line down to a 0.16 hook length with a band on a size 16 hook, and I've just got a clunk float so I can swing it out, nice long lash between the end of my pole and the float, and then I can be able to swing that out and hopefully drop it in front of a carp and we get a take straight away. So let me see if I can catch another one as quick as I caught that. Okay, see if we can get another one. A couple of carp there, look. See if we can get that one cruising along. I don't want to spook him with my pole, so I'm just going to flick that out. Has he took it? Oh, came and looked at it. Another one there, look. No, these are spooking really easily, these carp. They really are. They're on the surface, but they don't want to, as soon as that pole goes near them. Do we have a take? We had a take. There we go. Oh, where's he off? He's going to those reeds. Oh, no, not again. This happened a few weeks back. Oh, that's a big fish. So days like today, when you've got a nice warm day, fish are on the surface, you've got to have a go at mugging, because you're missing an opportunity if you don't. I think we've got ourselves a pretty big fish here. Oh. Just went and lost it. That was a big fish. That was well over £10. So broke my hook. Luckily I had the lower hook length, that's why you have them. So we're going to get set up again, and hopefully we're going to hook one and catch it this time. Okay, so we just lost that absolute banger of a carp. So I'm now going to just tighten up my elastic a little bit, because there's some big fish about, and that one was definitely over £10, pretty sure of it. So I'm going to try again, put a new hook on. I was hoping to get that one in because it was a beautiful fish, but it was just probably a bit too big. Really, it knew they've got some snags right down on my left, and it knew where to go, and that's where it went. So let's see if we can find another one cruising around. Hopefully show you guys that there's some big fish in here, but also how easy this can be. There we go, we've got one cruising over to my left. We're just out of camera range here, but I'm going to see if I can just flick it over in front of him. So it's just past my 13-metre line. So I'm just going to swing it. There we go. I've got to take. Oh, there we go. He swam out. He was just past my 13-metre line, and that is why I've got 2.5 foot between the float and my pole. So I can just swing it out that a little bit further past range. So this one didn't look as big, but then neither did the other one when I saw it on the surface. It didn't look that big, but it was a big fish. But this one certainly doesn't feel as angry either. So we're just going to play this one. I've tightened that elastic up, so hopefully we'll get this under control. If it is a similar size, let's just come up to the surface. Look, let's see if we can bring this one in. Looks like a nice common. Oh, should have been landing it out. Oh, we got him. We got him in. We get him in. We got him in. Oh, just about. Just about. Another big fish. So this is my new landing net as well. Oh, got him. That. If the other one was the daddy, this one's definitely the mummy. It's a beauty. That, guys, is what you can catch mugging fish. Absolutely stunner. Let's get him back in the water. Okay, let's see if we can catch another one. So just to go over the rig, guys, I've got 13-15 hodler elastic on, 0.19mm diameter main line down to a 0.16 diameter hook length with a size 16 hook and a band on the hook, and I've got a clunk float. And I've got my float, between my float and my hook, I've got a depth of 2 foot, and between my float and my line and my pole, I've got 2.5 foot. Now it enables me to swing it out past my 13-metre line if I need to, and also it helps me keep the pole away from the fish, because they are a little bit spooky today. But fishing nice and robust. I've got no shot between the float and the hook. It's a self-cocking float, the clunk float, and I'm just doing a natural fall of my pellet. So I've got a 6mm pellet on the band. So we're just going to wait to see if we can see another cruising carp. Sometimes you do have to stand up so you can see them, and you are better off wearing sunglasses, which I've gone and left mine in the car. Typical, but I'm okay today. If it was a match, I'd simply go and get them, but only a pleasure fishing session today. So sometimes you can fish this all day long, but more often than not when you're pleasure fishing or if you're in a match, you're going to want to just have the rig ready, so you quickly swap your line. If you see a carp going past, whatever line you're fishing, you just quickly come in, swap over onto the mugging rig and hopefully get it as it's going by. But you won't necessarily always fish this all day. Sometimes you do, and I've known people to win the matches fishing this literally for 5 hours in a match. There we go. We just got one, just snared one. Oh, it was just over there on my left. Uh oh, this is a big fish. Where's he going? Where's he gone? Oh my God, that was a bit scary. This is another beast, and I'm going to play this one. He's out in the middle. He was over near those reeds. I thought he'd gone in. He might have gone in and I might have just had to have dragged him out, but what a bend on this pole. I'm going to just play this one, wear him out. This might take a little bit of time. It's swimming towards me now, but I definitely ain't going to be ready for netting anytime soon. Oh, goodness me. Got him. What a lump. Guys, you've got to see this one. Absolutely cracking fish. Look at that one, guys. Cracking fish. Okay, so we just caught that carp. Nice double figure carp. There we go. We've got a fish coming in, cruising over there to my right. Let's see if I can intercept him over there. So I just want to see if I can catch one more. They seem to be either on my right or on my left. They was out in the middle earlier, right in front of me. Oh, there's one just in front of me float. Just going to drop that in. There we go. Straight away, look. Oh, didn't even slap it, just dropped it in front of his nose. So, if you've never been out mugging before, mugging for big carp, or even if you do not do it very often, now is the time to do it, because they're just under the surface or they're cruising around on the surface, and you'll be able to get yourself plenty of carp. There we go. He's coming nice and slow. There we are. Oh, just goes in my net again. Another proper lump. And keep him over my net. There we go. Beautiful carp. Mugging on a warm day can't be any easier. There he goes. So there you have it, guys. That's how easy it is. Mugging carp on a warm sunny day can't get any easier. The rig is easy, nice and simple to set up, and all you got to do is swing it out in front of them, and hopefully the fish will just see that bait drop through and they'll take it on the drop. Guys, as usual, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free and it's easy and it only takes 2 seconds. Also, if you can, please drop the video a like, and if you can spare 2 seconds and leave a comment, let me know how you fished this mugging rig. Let me know what things I can learn as well. But guys, until next time, tight lines, and I'll see you soon.